Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find hidden or underrated comic on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the web comic app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to Explore or Categories section or click on Genres at the bottom. Check genres you like romance, action or fantasy. Hidden gems often hide in these popular categories, not just the trending list. Use the sorting options if available. Click on filters. From here you can select your status, type of work or unlock method. Or you can see the options at the bottom: newest, hottest or best rated. This helps you find comics that aren't getting much attention yet. Open a comic you like and scroll to related comic or recommended by the app. These suggestions often include underrated comics that match your taste. You can also check comment section and sometimes share hidden gems. Once you find an underrated comic, bookmark or follow it. That way you won't miss new chapters and can support the creators early. And that's it. Using these steps, you can discover hidden and underrated comic on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.